He was an American musician who was the bassist of the rock band ZZ Top. He also sang lead and the backing vocals and played keyboards. His family. His spouse named Charlene McCrory. His spouse is an actress. Couple had been married in 2002. His father name Ernest. His mother name Meryl Hill. He had a brother. His brother was an American blues guitarist, singer, and bassist from the Dallas, Texas, US. His brother Rocky is also a member of ZZ Top. His family. He had an estimated net worth of $60 million. He was born in Dallas, Texas, US. He was born on May 19, 1949. He and his brother, Rocky, were raised in the Lakewood neighborhood of the East Dallas. Year of active 1966 to 2021. He attended Woodrow Wilson High School, where he played the cello. Like his future bandmates, Hill grew up listening to blues music, which was uncommon in white families. He recalls shocking the parents of his childhood friend when he bought records by Moody or Son House to their houses. He began singing for money with his brother Rocky at age of 8. After Rocky formed a band with drummer, he took up bass at age of 13. Unlike many bassists, he did not learn to play guitar first. He said, "I kind of learned how to play on stage and what not, and embarrassment is the great motivation." He, his brother, and future fellow ZZ Top member Frank played in the local Dallas bands, the Warlocks, the Cellar Dwellers, and American Blues. In 1969, he was member of fake version of the British band, the Zombie with Beard. In 2000, he was diagnosed with the hepatitis C, and so ZZ Top cancelled their European tour. He resumed work in 2002. His on-screen appearances include Black to the Future Part 3, Mother Goose, Rock and Rhythm, the July 20, 2009 episode of WWE Raw and Deadwood, and as himself in the 11th season episode of King of the Hill. inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame as a member of ZZ Top in 2004. In July 2021, he was forced to leave a ZZ Top tour after a hip injury. The band performed without him at the Village Commons in New Lenox, Illinois, with the band's guitar teacher Elwood on bass. He played with ZZ Top for over 50 years. After his death, he was replaced by the band's longtime guitar teacher Elwood Francis, in line with Hill's wishes. On July 27, 2021, he died at his home in the Houston at the age of 72. The cause of death was not immediately announced.